We are pleased to show you the 2008 Town & Country. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake park interlock, compact spare tire, dual note horn, electronic stability package, fog lamps, front wheel drive, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find leather seats, overhead console, security alarm, universal garage door opener. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. Come see the car for yourself.